I'm dismantling this Xbox One. I did put it together as a complete set, but it's not selling on eBay, so I'll dismantle it and sell it as parts. It does work. The only issue was the Wi-Fi card was drifting in and out of signal, so just had to take that off, bin that. So all I do now is just take this PCB out. There's a Blu-ray drive. So yeah, quick desolder of the power on the motor. So it's been cleaned anyway before, because I dismantled one and just cleaned it all up because of it being dusty, and so I always receive them dusty, so just clean them up and then put them back together if it works great. But over the Easter period, especially today, I've sold a few more parts. I sold the motherboard for $24.99, Blu-ray drive for $12, and the hard drive for, I think it was 12, I think, something like that anyway. So I'll just take the main parts off and get them listed. Just doing the video to show you that, you know. Come on. So a quick desoldering. And that's it. Near enough. Take out the ribbons. Take the screws out. So that will now be put onto the motherboard, and I sell that as a complete set. So it's not unmarried, as they say. I'll put the screws back in for the PCB and then the frame. So it's probably go on YouTube as a, you know, not a short, but as a video. I'm trying to build up a bit of presence on there. I know the videos are that much cut, but I'll probably improve as I go along. So that's now ready to be sold. Just give me a minute. This stuff was just too noisy. There's a DG6M1S. Oh, freebie. I've never really seen one of them before. I think it's just the 6M1S really that you need for an Xbox One. That's a Seagate 500 gig. Just need to wipe that off when I get it off. So that's that tool. So all the screw holes were okay in the base. Yeah, all the screw holes are okay. As I dismantle them, I do collect the screws, so I've decided to put a screw set together for this Xbox One. Just as spares, as you say. So I'll put all these pegs and all the screws together. That's the frame. Probably end up just spinning that. I've got loads of them. Who wants some? Just gotta make sure the cables. So I haven't plugged it. No, I haven't. There we go. So it's been cleaned up, and even the paste still wet. So it's only been together about a week. I always put new paste on when I make them. Put it together. Just need to wipe it up. So that'll now be ready to resell. The code on the thing, please, if you can see that. So all these parts will be classed as 44648. So that'll be motherboard, hard drive, Blu-ray drive, fan, whatever else. I'll just have to make up the cards for that. So I'll just finish this off now. There's no need to watch anymore.